If you want to make money with a trading system, it's important to start by gaining a solid understanding of the financial markets and how they operate. Research various trading strategies and determine which one aligns best with your financial goals and risk tolerance. Once you've chosen a trading system, stick to it and resist the temptation to constantly switch strategies. It's essential to have a clear plan in place, including entry and exit points, as well as risk management techniques to protect your capital. Emotions can often cloud judgment, so it's crucial to remain disciplined and not let fear or greed dictate your trading decisions. Consistently updated on global economic news will help you make informed trading choices. Additionally, continuously educating yourself about the trading system and refining your strategy based on past successes and failures is critical for long-term success. It's also wise to start with a demo account to practice without risking real money, and gradually transition to a live account once you feel confident in your abilities. Remember that making money with a trading system takes time, patience, and diligence. By mastering these principles and staying dedicated to your strategy, you can increase your chances of success in the financial markets.
Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. See you in the next video.